Hello viewers, welcome back to Stats Cosmos. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here with a new concept. Guess what it is? Yes, you're correct. It is Principles of Marketing. Hope you all enjoy this video. Let's start up now. The last century saw a lot of changes happening in the field of marketing, right? The usage of new tools and techniques brought about revolutionary changes in the production of product. Mass manufacturing has become a reality nowadays. Before we know further, let's try to know what is marketing first. It is concerned with handling and transportation of goods from the point of production to the point of consumption. The marketing concept is a consumer orientation with integrated marketing that aimed at generating the customer satisfaction as a key to satisfy the organization goal. Marketing knowledge is also valuable for those not directly involved in a marketing job, of course. Uh, Here, let me give an example for you for understanding this. Marketing decisions must be made by doctors for what hours are most desirable to patient, lawyers to know how can they attract the new clients, management consultants to think of should the fee charged be higher, lower, or the same as competitors, financial analysts to what investment opportunities should be recommended to clients, teachers to know how can students learn to be better consumer. Each of these professions and organizations requires an understanding and satisfaction of patient, client, consumer, and student. And while formulating their plans and programs, marketers should consider the factors such as identifying the end users, identifying the influencers, identify the influence of other factors, frequency of use and purchase, seasonal and cyclic variations. The markets are customer driven these days, right? And the behavior of the customer, you know very well, it is mostly unique and unpredictable, right? This has made the firms to step into the shoes of the consumer and understand them from their point of view in selection and purchase of products and services. Now let's try to know what is the nature of marketing. The term market is used to mean not any particular geographical meeting place of the buyers and sellers, but as the getting together of buyers and sellers in person, maybe by mail, telephone, telegraph, cable, or any other means of communication. And when it comes to the nature of marketing, it can be understood by following characteristics. Marketing is customer focused. A business is a work to satisfy human needs, right? The activities of marketing must be focused and directed at the customer. It practices market research and surveys to know about customers' taste and expectations. So, this is how it is always customer focused. Marketing must deliver value. Marketer has to track customer needs and deliver the product as per their requirements. The corporate strategy must be aimed at delivering greater customer value than competitors. Marketing is business, of course. The firm has to develop a business organization with a motive of absorbing new approaches, new ideas, and new marketing demands. Marketing is surrounded by customer needs, right? It is essential to understand what the consumers really want. The portable form of the product is made out and presented before the customer for approval. The customer will suggest few changes or improvements, if any, required in the portable product, and the final product can be sent to the customers. So, this is how it is always surrounded by customer needs. Marketing is a part of total environment. A marketing system is directly related to the distribution and production of goods, ideas, services, places, and persons for the satisfaction of human needs here. Marketing systems always affects the company strategy. Am I right? So let's see how it is. Marketing has its own subsystems which interact with each other to form complete marketing system that is responsive to so many marketing strategies. Through the subsystems, maybe like a marketing information system, marketing planning system, marketing organization and implementation system, and marketing control system, the company monitors and adapts to the total marketing environment. Marketing as a discipline. The subject of marketing has emerged out of the business which has derived its existence from economics. After emerging from business, marketing has got its strength from related areas, maybe like law, psychology, anthropology, sociology, statistics, mathematics, etc. Because the related problems impinge heavily on consumer behavior, legal aspects of marketing, research on consumer needs, advertising, media, pricing, promotion methods, etc. Marketing creates mutually beneficial relationships. A customer is the focus of all marketing activities, right? But during the last previous years, the focus has shifted to the way of doing business, how we are doing the business. The strategic approaches of marketing are very much important here. And the means of marketers are their experience and knowledge, and the end result is in the form of a mutual better relationships with potential buyers or customers. This is about the nature of marketing. Next, we'll try to know what are the various functions of marketing. Marketing can be understood in terms of functions that a marketing department performs. The major purpose of this department is to generate revenue for the business of selling, satisfying goods and services to the consumers. In order to achieve this purpose, the marketing manager performs the functions such as marketing research. It means a complete research on competitors, consumer expectations, and demand is done before launching a product into the market. Next, product planning and development. It is a proper plan designed based on the target customers, market share to be captured, and the level of the production possible. It is based on research data. The product or service design is created. Next, buying and assembling. Buying of raw material and assembling of parts is done to create a product or service. Next, we have selling. To reach out to the consumers spread over a vast geographical area, selling and distribution channels are to be selected wisely, right? Standardization, grading, and branding. The product is graded as per its quality and the quality of its raw materials. A fascinating brand name is given to the product to differentiate it from the other similar products in the market. Next, we have packaging and labeling. What is packaging and labeling here? To make the product more attractive and self informative, it is packed and labeled, listing out the ingredients used, product use, manufacturing details, expiry date, etc. Next, we have storage. The goods are generally produced in bulks and therefore needs to be stored in warehouses, right? So before being sold in the market in small quantities, so they should be stored in a proper place. Next, transportation. Transportation means are decided for transfer of the goods from the manufacturing units to the wholesalers, retailers, and consumers. Next is salesmanship. It is a personal attempt to persuade people to buy goods or services. Advertising is also almost the same. It is concerned with the establishment of contact with the people through message. It is primarily concerned with creating an interest in the customers to buy a product. Next, to pricing. This you all know very well, right? The product is priced moderately, keeping in mind the value it creates for the customer and cost of production. Next, we have financing, how the marketing is related to finance. Financing is the process of providing funds for business activities, making purchases, or investing, right? Financial institutions such as banks are in the business of providing capital to businesses, consumers, and investors to help them achieve their goals. Next, insurance. Marketing plays a key role in insurance market to meet supply and demand because insurance products are products that are not seen, not touched, but exist only in the form of pledges. Selling a promise requires a confidence here, a belief that the servicer provider will be realized if the loss will occur. So this is all about the various functions of marketing. I hope everyone understood today's video. We'll continue with the next video. Thank you so much all for watching this video.